Hi, I'm Shawn Harris. I'm the Recreation Coordinator at the Pleasanton Senior Center, and I'm going to show you how to make homemade hand sanitizer. So you're going to need a few things. You're going to need some 91% isopropyl alcohol, some aloe vera gel, a container like an old shampoo bottle, your measuring cups, a couple things to stir, and then if you want a scent, if you have them on hand, maybe some essential oils. So I have lavender here, and I love citrus, so I have something called Citrus Bliss. So first you take your aloe vera gel and you measure out a 1/4 cup. And then I'm going to put it in my glass measuring cup. And then you need to measure out a 1/2 cup of the alcohol. And let's see, 1.5 cup. Oops. Okay. And then you slowly stir this into your aloe vera gel. So just a little bit of it at a time so that it has a chance to mix really well. And I find that the wire whisk kind of helps it smooth out a little bit more than normal with a spoon. When you think you have it pretty smooth, you can add your scents. Citrus Bliss. And as many drops as you want for the scent that you like is fine. And then you mix that all up. And then you put it into your container. And you are ready to go. There you go.